The only way to learn mathematics is to do mathematics. Good morning, students. I am Chandrakant Tiwari. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Usha Learning Classes. We are going to conduct video classes of class 10th mathematics CBSE board in a series of videos. In chapter 1, real numbers, till now we have covered the topic real numbers, Euclid division lemma, Euclid division algorithm, fundamental theorem of arithmetic, HCF, LCM and irrational numbers and some theorems on irrational number. Today we are continue with real numbers and we will cover the topic as number 1 rational numbers, number 2 when a decimal expansion terminates then it can be expressed in the form of P by Q where P and Q are co-prime. Third, to test whether a given rational number is a terminating or repeating decimal. 4. CBSE board exam question solved. 5. Solution of previous assignment question 3 solved. 6. Assignment question 4. We have discussed rational numbers in our previous videos. Let us see once more. Topic 1. Rational numbers. The numbers of the form P by Q where P and Q are integers and Q not equal to 0 are called rational numbers. For example, 2 by 3, 5 by 2, 8 by 9, etc. Rational numbers in decimal form. Every rational number when expressed in decimal form is expressible either in terminating or in non-terminating repeating decimal form. For example, 0.375, 0.104, etc. are terminating decimals and 0.1428571 is a non-terminating but repeating decimal. Come to our next topic, that is topic 2. Let x be a rational number whose decimal expansion terminates. Then x can be expressed in the form P by Q where P and Q are co-prime and the prime factorization of Q is of the form 2m into 5m where m and n are whole numbers. Let us see some examples. Example 1 is 0.375. It is a terminating decimal. It can be written as 375 by 1000 or it can be written as 3 into 125 into 2 cube into 5 cube equal to 3 by 2 cube equal to 3 by 2 cube into 5 0. Clearly Q is of the form 2m and 5n. Similarly, for 0.104 it is a terminating decimal. It can be written as 104 by 1000 equal to 13 into 2 cube by 2 cube into 5 cube equal to 13 by 5 cube equal to 13 by 20 into 5 cube. Q is of the form 2m into 5m where mn are whole numbers. Similarly, take another example 0.0875. It is a terminating decimal, so we can write it as 875 equal to 10,000 equal to 7 into 125 by 24 into 54 equal to 7 by 24 into 51. Clearly Q is of the form 2 to the power m into 5 to the power n, where m is 4, n is 1. Come to our next topic, topic 3. To test whether a given rational number is a terminating or repeating decimal. Let p by q is a rational number where q not equal to 0 and p q are coprime. If q is of the form if q is of the form 2m into 5n, then the decimal terminates. For example 3 by 8 equal to 3 by 2 to the power q equal to 3 into 5 cube into 2 cube into 5 cube equal to 3 into 125 by 10 cube equal to 375 by 10 cube equal to 0.375. Clearly it is a decimal which terminates, and if q is not of the form (2m into 5n), then it is non-terminating but repeating. Decimal. For example 1 by 7. Let us divide it 17.01. Clearly 1 by 7 equal to 0.142857 bar. Bar means it is repeating again and again. Clearly 7 is not of the form 2m into 5n. So So it is non-terminating but a repeating decimal. Come to our next topic, that is CBSE board exam questions solved. First question is, find after how many places of decimal the decimal form of the number 27 divided by 2 to the power cube into 5 to the power 4 into 3 to the power square will terminate. We have solution, we have 27 divided by 2 to the power cube into 5 to the power 4 into 3 to the power square equal to 3 into 3 to the power square divided by 2 to the power cube into 5 to the power 4 into 3 to the power square equal to 3 divided by 2 to the power cube into 5 to the power 4 equal to, multiplying both numerator and denominator by 2, 3 into 2 to the power 2 to the power 4 into 5 to the power 4 equal to 6 10 to the power 4, that is equal to 0.0006. So it terminates after 4 decimal places. Come to our next question, that is B. Show that the number 31 divided by 2 to the power square into 5 to the power cube is a terminating decimal. Express it in decimal form. Since the denominator of given number is of the form 2m into 5n, where m equal to 2 and n equal to 3. Therefore given number is terminating. Now we have 31 divided by 2 square into 5 cube equal to, multiplying numerator and denominator by 2, 31 into 2 divided by 2 cube into 5 cube equal to 62 divided by 10 to the power cube equal to 0.062. Answer. Come to our next question, C, that is, if 43.123456789 bar is a rational and of the form p by q, What can you say about the prime factor of Q? Clearly 43.123456789 is a rational number, and since it is repeating decimal, Q will have factors other than 2m and 5n also. Come to our next topic, that is solution of previous assignment question 3. Question was, prove that 1 by root 2 is irrational. Now we will prove it. Let 1 by root 2 is a rational and its simplest form be a by b, where a and b are integers and b not equal to 0, such that a and b are coprimes. Therefore 1 by root 2 equal to a by b, or root 2 equal to b by a. Since a by b is rational, therefore b by a is rational. Therefore root 2 is rational. But we know that root 2 is irrational. This contradiction is due to incorrect assumption of 1 by root 2 as rational. Hence, one by root 2 is irrational. Proved. Now come to our last topic, assignment question 4. The question is, express 0.6 bar as a rational number in its simplest form. Give your answers in comment box if you solve it, otherwise we will solve it for you in next video. Today our real number chapter 1 is completed and we will start a new chapter polynomial in our next video. If you have any doubt regarding real numbers, then please ask in comment box. Before concluding today's session, I just want to quickly say that if you like this video or you want more videos on maths, then please subscribe my YouTube channel and hit like button, and do not forget to share and comment guys. Thanks for watching.